Hello, today on Media and Society, our lecture will be on the functions of media. In no other historical period have mass media, information, and technology become such a dominant force in society. The unabated influx of new technologies facilitates the flow of communication and information, impacting the way we communicate, process information, and, to a certain extent, the way we view the world we live in. The key to understanding the impact of media in society is the understanding of the functions of media. Media reports on what is happening and provides information to the society. The media is responsible for providing news and covering a wide variety of issues. It also helps maintain social order by providing instructions on what has to be done in times of crisis, thereby reducing confusion among the people. For example, during typhoons or conflicts or even health scares, we turn to media for information. Media has the ability to teach the various norms, customs, and values that exist in a society and ensure its transfer from one generation to the next. For example, TV programs reflect the societal attitudes, fashions, and values. Children's television programs are designed to showcase good behaviors and moral standards which children can learn by watching. This function is usually associated with the entertainment media and advertising. Some media outlets exist to cultivate knowledge by teaching instead of just relaying information. Education is the creation of awareness through the thoughtful interpretation of information. Media and mass communication provide platforms for educational channels. For example, during the pandemic, many turned to social media, especially YouTube, which was made into an education platform as many professionals and teachers put up their own personal channels. We all use the media to escape our day to day lives, to distract us from our problems like the upcoming exam, or just to help us relax. When we are being distracted, amused, or relaxed, the media is performing the diversion function. Last but not the least, media and media tools can bring people closer together, which serves the bonding function. For example, people who were forced apart because of the COVID pandemic could be brought together through social media or by having a shared experience of watching the same online concert. While in the ideal world, these functions of media impact society in a positive way, we also know that the same functions can lead to dysfunctions that are detrimental to society. Dysfunctions are disruptions in society and a threat to social stability. While functions are intended or recognized and may have positive effects on society, dysfunctions are unintended consequences that have a negative effect on society. Often they are unrecognized or ignored issues. Some random examples include invasion of privacy, disinformation, pornography, hate speech, and stereotyping. Can you think of other dysfunctions? If this video has helped you, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more about media education.